Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for some practical Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林集少 Joseph Lin, and I'm not feeling well again. 我不舒服啊。没有啦，这是这个月的主题了。今天精神还不错。
爱莫松松。
对啦，爱莫松松。That is our topic of the month, teaching you things and vocabulary associated when you're not feeling too well. And 爱莫松松 means I'm not feeling too well. So today, let's teach you how about some symptoms. Okay, 可能生病感冒的时候会发生的一些症状。
发烧。
发烧最痛苦。
咳嗽。
咳嗽也很痛苦。一个是拉长型的，一个是那个会发冷，然后就是很不舒服，
一直抖。
对。然后咳嗽很讨厌，有时候会拖2个礼拜，对不对？
对。
Okay, that's good. Let's teach you terms associated with the common cold. For instance, fever. Okay, 发烧怎么说？
发烧。
发烧。Okay, that's a fever in Hakka.
海陆腔。发烧。
就跟中文比较像了哈，发烧。That's a different dialect for having a fever. How about 咳嗽？咳嗽 a cough.
戳就是咳嗽。
不错所以你在咳嗽的时候讲这个字比较容易。爱出，对，
你要抖的感觉。爱出。
Okay, that's very simple in Hakka to say a cough is 出 like that.
出。
Okay, that's how to say cough in Hakka. Sometimes when we're sick too long, we're feeling nauseous or whatnot, and we feel like we want to vomit. 有的时候呢，生病一阵子呢，就可能会觉得晕眩，然后想吐。想吐怎么说 ？I want to vomit.
上盤
I want to vomit. Let's go ahead and make a sentence out of one of these phrases right here. 有的时候我们发烧只是前面一点点，感觉好像要发烧了。我要说我好像发烧了。I feel like I'm coming down with a fever. How do you say that?
愛動槍發燒嘅。
愛動槍發燒嘅。Okay, 發燒嘅 that again is fever, but 愛動槍
就是我好像
動槍好像 I feel like I'm coming down with a fever. All right, let's review all these terms right here. The fever is
發燒。
發燒. Okay, that's fever. 發燒。咳嗽
出。
And then finally, vomiting. 想吐。
上盤。
And it's all because 我不舒服啊。
愛莫松松。
I'm not feeling too well, but I hope you're feeling well, and now you know how to say it in Hakka next time you're not. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.